When you open GeoGebra 4, you will see the usual algebra and graphics view. But in this video, I want to take a look exclusively at the new spreadsheet view, and I'm going to turn off both algebra and graphics. This is the brand new spreadsheet and its statistical capabilities on GeoGebra 4. The principal entries are up here, and you have options 1 variable analysis, 2 variable regression analysis, multiple variable analysis, and probability calculator. If you click on these things, nothing happens. It does give you the title, but you must select the cells first. So let's take a look at this column, F, and analyze with 1 variable analysis, obtaining a histogram, statistics, and the option to run z-tests or t-tests, z-intervals or t-intervals, identical to those on a graphics calculator. To generate that data, you might be interested to see that I used random normal 55 as the entry, and I copied and pasted that. To do column G, I used random normal 54.7. Copied and pasted that. Now, when I highlight both columns, I can choose between regression analysis or multiple variable analysis. If I choose regression analysis, I get a very uninteresting scatter plot, poor correlation, linear model isn't really appropriate, not particularly worthwhile. But I might choose to view this as 2 independent sets of data and do a multiple variable analysis. Now I get 2 box plots, and I have the options of calculating statistics for the 2 columns F and G, I can run t-tests on differences of means, either paired or otherwise, or I could calculate confidence intervals, paired or otherwise. Here's the t-test on those 2 columns. The t-value is negative 1.93. The p-value is 0.063, two-tailed, and I can draw my conclusions. And then I have the option in all of these examples to print the results. The last of the new possibilities on this spreadsheet that's really wonderful is the probability calculator. And here you have options: normal, student, chi-squared, F, exponential, Cauchy, Weibull, gamma, log normal, logistic, more distributions that I'm aware of. The normal I understand, and right now the mean is set at 0 and the standard deviation 1, and you're calculating the probability of getting an x between negative 1 and 1, and it turns out to be 0.6827, and you can use the slider to change the interval, and it reports the probabilities. Let's take a look at the binomial. N is 20, P is 0.5, interval 8 to 12, probability 7368, and the table of values for those in that interval is shaded in here. And my suggestion for others of these that you don't know, the gamma, for example, look them up on Wikipedia, find out what this information is, alpha and beta, and then you get to make the same calculations you do for all the rest. Tremendously powerful probability calculator, better than any of the graphics calculators. So these are the new features of GeoGebra 4 in the spreadsheet mode. There are many other surprises in here also, but these features make it superior to the typical scientific or graphics calculators. Done.